Every parent knows that panic. Birthday next week, no ideas, and Amazon's a jungle of junk. These 16 finds cut through the noise. This is GEARHOUND, I'm Marcus. I scan hundreds of products every week, hunting the smart picks that actually earn their spot. Today's lineup, 16 Amazon finds for the kids in your life, toys, gifts, and gear that don't end up buried in a closet by February. Links in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe, let's get into it. Ever tried clipping a squirming baby's nails at midnight? Yeah, pure horror. Every parent's been there. Out of hundreds I scanned this week, this one made the cut for a reason. Meet the 3-in-1 electric nail trimmer, built-in LED light, magnifier lens. 2 speed modes for soft baby nails and thick senior toenails, USB-C rechargeable, anti-pinch safety blade. Slide the finger in, hit the button, done. No cuts, no tears, no panic. Real talk, if you've got a newborn or you're helping an older parent, this one earns its spot on your shelf. Got a heavy sleeper in the house? Kid who thinks the snooze button is a personal challenge? This one solves it, brutally. Meet CLOCKY by Vahome. The alarm clock on wheels that jumps off the nightstand, rolls across the floor, and forces you to chase it down to shut it off. Extra loud alarm, runaway wheels. One time, snooze only, no cheating. Set the alarm, close your eyes, wake up sprinting. It's the R2-D2 of morning discipline. Trust me on this one. If your kid keeps missing the school bus, CLOCKY ends that argument. Hold up, wait until you see number 7. That's the one every kid on this list is going to beg you for. Remember when a toy could hold a kid's attention for more than 4 minutes? This one brings that back. Meet the 66-piece 3D flexible racetrack with motorized train, anti-gravity loops, bendable track sections, battery-powered engine that runs the whole circuit. STEM building set. Kids design their own layout every time. Snap it together, drop the train on, watch them zone in for hours. This one earned its spot for one reason, replay value. Real talk, if you're tired of toys that die in a week, this one keeps giving. Every kid wants to help wash the car, then destroys the interior with the real hose. Solutions on the list. Meet the kids' pressure washer toy. Hand pumped, no batteries needed. 1.7-liter tank. Real spray action with sponges, towel, and bucket in the set. Ages 3 and up. Fill it up. Hand it over. Watch them clean the toy car for an hour straight while you actually relax. Costs less than a car wash, lasts a whole summer. This one made the short list for backyards, patios, and parents who need 60 minutes of peace. Teachers, grandparents, parents running reward charts. This one's got your name on it. Meet the Minizoo manual sticker dispenser. 1,521-inch stickers. Gold stars, red hearts, smiley faces. Press to release design, no more peeling stickers off a sheet with wet fingers. Refillable, portable, built for classrooms and behavior charts. Press, grab, reward, done. One of the smart picks in this batch for anyone who works with kids under 10, teachers, aunts, uncles, weekend babysitters, earns its spot from day one. Toddler energy is a natural disaster. This one channels it in your own living room. Meet the Glaf 6-in-1 toddler slide, long slide, climbing steps, basketball hoop with ball, telescope, storage compartment, foldable HDPE plastic, heavy duty, non-slip, ages 1 to 3, sets up in minutes. Folds flat for storage. Rains outside? Doesn't matter. This thing runs the whole indoor playground operation. Trust me on this one. If your toddler climbs the couch like it's Everest, redirect that energy here. Everyone sleeps better. All right, this is the one. Remember the tease? Meet the electric LED water gun, 750 milliliter tank, USB-C rechargeable, 500 milliamp hour battery, 1,000 shots per charge, LED muzzle light for night battles, 20 to 25 foot range. That's serious backyard territory. Continuous auto fire, no pumping. CPC, safety certified, fill it, charge it, unleash chaos. Real talk, this one belongs at number 7 because it's the kind of gift kids remember. Birthdays, summer, pool parties, this one earns its spot every time. Quick one for you before we roll on, drop it in the comments. Would you rather spend 20 bucks on a toy your kid uses for a week or 40 bucks on one they play with all summer? Tell me which camp you're in. I read every comment. Every kid goes through an artist phase. Most parents feed it with a $5 crayon box, then the kid outgrows it in a week. Not with this one. Meet the Shuttle Art 202-piece Deluxe Art Set. 60 crayons, 24 acrylic paints, 24 watercolors, 24 oil pastels, 24 colored pencils, 4 drawing pads, canvas panels, brushes, sharpener, housed in a wooden gift box. ASTM and EN 71 certified non-toxic. Open the box. Watch the kid go quiet for 2 hours. This one earns its spot as a birthday or holiday gift. The wooden case alone signals this matter. Screens are winning the war for kids' attention. This one fights back with buttons, lights, and no tablet in sight. Meet the Pilot Steering Wheel Simulator, LED lit cockpit panel, working steering yoke, buttons for engine sounds, weather, radio chatter, built-in mic. Color and number learning modes, ages 18 months and up. Sit them down, hit the throttle, watch them fly across the living room. Made the cut because it teaches fine motor skills without a screen. Parents win, kids win. Summer heat plus bored kids equals a bad afternoon. Not with this on the lawn. Meet the Vahome 78-inch splash pad. That's 2 meters wide, twice the size of standard mats. Dual spray tubes for even water coverage. 0.43 millimeter thick, PVC, non-slip, kid safe. 4-color water arc effect. Fits kids, dogs, whole birthday parties. Connect the garden hose. Turn the tap. Done. Instant water park. Trust me on this one. Costs less than a movie ticket, entertains the whole neighborhood. Got a kid with energy that won't quit? Don't fight it, direct it. Meet the 51-inch freestanding punching bag, inflatable, LED scoring panel, 4 game modes with music. 2 boxing gloves and a pump included. 0.35 millimeter thick non-toxic PVC. Airlock seal, no slow leaks. Ages 3 to 12. Blow it up, strap on the gloves, watch them punch until they need a nap. It's fitness disguised as fun. Made the cut for one reason, it turns I'm bored into I'm exhausted. Every parent needs that trade. Every kid who draws also wants to draw on the walls. This one gives them the glow without the paint job. Meet the Nuyefo LED drawing board. Acrylic panel, 9 RGB color modes. 4 dynamic light effects. Fully IP65 waterproof, rinse it clean, no scratches. Includes 12 markers, tracing cards, stand, spray bottle, rechargeable, turn it on, hand them a marker. Watch their doodles come alive in neon. This one earns its spot for screen-free creative time. That's rare and worth it in 2026. Toy chaos is real. Legos in the pasta jar, action figures in the shower, this one ends it. Meet the Etitlly 1.6 bin toy storage organizer, 3-tier bookshelf, 16 removable colored bins. Sturdy wood and plastic build, 49.5 inches wide. Quick assembly. Slide the bins in. Sort by type. Watch your living room become a room again. Real talk, this one earns its spot for one thing. It makes kids clean up on their own because sorting into bins feels like a game. Curator stamp, this one's a home saver. Almost done here, save your strongest curiosity for the last one. That one made me stop mid-scroll. Family parties, kid birthdays, road trip nights in, most homes go quiet after dessert. Not this one. Meet the Ultramic portable karaoke machine, 8-watt Bluetooth speaker, 360-degree stereo sound, 2 wireless microphones, LED light show, USB, SD, AUX inputs, 10-hour battery. Pair the phone, grab a mic. Watch Grandma sing Elvis. Ages 5 to 95. Fits birthdays, holidays, sleepovers, backyard parties. Made the cut because it multiplies household joy, and the LED lights make everyone feel like a rock star. Kids love robots. Kids love fire trucks. This one is both. Meet the Transformers Rescue Bots, Heatwave the Firebot, Amazon exclusive edition, 1-step conversion, robot to fire truck and back. No 12-step frustration. Ages 3 to 7. Play School Heroes durability. Removable water can and accessory. Grab the robot. Flip it in one motion. Watch a fire truck roll out. This one earns its spot because most transforming toys break the first week. This one keeps flipping. Curator's pick for the 3 to 7 age bracket. Anxiety, ADHD, restless hands in class or in meetings. This one handles all of it, quietly. Meet the magnetic fidget ring set. 3 rings per pack. ABS plastic body. N40 magnets. Smooth spin design. Pocket-sized, weightless, 10 grams each. Ages 8 and up. Slide them on. Spin. Snap. Focus locks in. Curator stamp on this one. It's the smallest item on the list, and it might be the most quietly useful. School kids, teens, office workers, anyone with a fidget habit that needs a discreet outlet, made the cut easy. All right, pack, that's the 16. Links in the description, grab what caught your eye, hit subscribe if this saved you a bad gift. See you next batch.